Welcome to the Foundation in Sounds virtual classroom. To begin, you will need to sign up with your Google account, or you can create an account using your email address, your name, and a password. Now that you are logged in, you will need to enter your card information to begin your subscription. This is the Foundation in Sounds virtual classroom. It will allow for you to interact with your student as if you were tutoring in person. You will need to use a video conferencing option, such as Zoom, that has the capability for screen sharing. You will notice that all of the sound pictures are accessible when you first log on. However, to change the sound pictures that appear, navigate to Settings, and then you can go through and uncheck the boxes next to the sound pictures you do not want to appear. The first sound taught in the Foundation in Sounds program is the MAP sound. So that's all that I will start with. Once the students have learned the sound, they can place the sound picture on the correct lip chart or tongue chart. If you need to change the sound stoplight to one of the sequencing activity sheets, simply navigate again to the settings. Now the student will be able to sequence. If you do experience errors while using the virtual classroom, the first thing you should try is using another browser. If the problems persist, contact us and we will help you resolve the issue. The settings are not saved, so if you refresh the page or log out, everything will return to its original setup. Make sure not to do so unless you are finished or you are going to begin working with another student. From your friends at JMO Learning and the Foundation in Sounds team, we hope you have the greatest successes. Please contact us if you have any questions.